Yes. There's the UPS man backing out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy shnikes. Dude. Let's see. Order battles. Crafting.com. This is it. This is it, dude. This is it. Okay. Okay. One down. Where should we unbox it?
I don't know.
This is it. Okay, last box. Let's go unwrap it. Okay guys, which one should I open first? Put it in the comments down below. It's this one. You got it. Okay. Where should I open it from? I can smell it. I can smell the metal. Oh my gosh. The Lord of Battles. Wait. Yeah, Lord of Battles. Duke of Burgundy set of armor. It's already articulating inside. Dude. Oh my gosh. Back plate. Put that right there. These are the pauldrons. Okay. Oh my gosh. Shoulders. Are those leg armor? I don't know. And gloves. Oh my gosh, these are so sick. And here's the armor stand. Okay. Got a little piece of paper in it. Yeah, that's just junk. Okay, let's open this box. I don't know what this is. Check it out. And they wrap this good. I'm so excited! So excited! La la la! Oh. Two. Could this be? Hey, Mason. Oh. It's the helmet. Okay, I'll put this over. Dude. It's sick. It's revolting. What's in here? Oh. Man, I'm so red right now. Box. Oh, this is the stand. Beautiful wood.
That's nice. I didn't know it came with
Beautiful.
that.
Yeah, I didn't either. Actually, I did. Never mind. So, cut here.
Duke of Burgundy.
Duke of Burgundy!
Lord of Battles.
Shut up, Mason. Nobody
Point the
cares.
camera in my face. Lord of Battles.
Get out of the shot.
Does that sound funny?
No.
Well, not. Because this is armor. This is knight armor. Sorry. Didn't mean to offend you.
You didn't.
I'm into.
I opened it from the wrong side. Well, shoot.
Why don't you use that knife? It's right there.
Yeah. Oh, it's already open.
I kind of feel dumb now. Like, why didn't all of us buy knight armor?
I
Yeah,
don't want to buy another.
Oh, here's
You telling me you don't want one of these?
one whole leg.
Pink one, maybe.
Let's see if it's my size. Yeah, it should be good. You filming?
I am.
This is the helmet. Helmet comes first. And you want that? That's very oily. Dude. I have to wipe this boy down. Let's put it on. Oh my gosh. Get the strap. Get the strap off. Did he say strap in or strap off? Oh. Am I doing this right? Oh my gosh. It's a beaut. It's a beautiful thing. Try it on. The plastic still on it. Does it fit pretty good?
Yeah,
Like that?
it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Fit pretty good? Let me see in the mirror. I think it's fine. I'll get bigger. Oh. Okay, I finally got every piece unwrapped. And I wiped off the oil that was all over this armor for some reason. Probably to keep it from not rusting, but yeah, I'm gonna put it together. Hey guys, check out my knight armor. It's all finished. Here he is.
What?
Here he is.
Oh, he's kind of scary. Why is he looking at me like that?
He is.
Yeah.
He's looking at you specifically.
Kind of spooky.
He wasn't doing that a second ago.
Turn his head.
Yeah.
So as you can see, everything moves properly. It articulates, so you can jump up and down, and you know, look at how flexible these are. It's crazy. It's got this little sword thing, the mount on there. Ow! What the frick? Yeet!
Oh!
Okay, so once again, this is the Duke of Burgundy armor from Kult of Athena. I got it for a special deal for only $800. So, yeah, this is me standing next to it. Pretty much my height, you know, it's pretty good. Pretty good. But, yeah, I'm going to be wearing this on the battlefield. You'll see me in new videos, and I'll do some cool stuff. Might put it on, go through McDonald's, go to Steak and Shake. Might see me down at the public pool, you never know. So, yeah, this is my buddy. Peace out.